Do you know how to use Vertex colors in Unity? I will show you how you can use Vertex color of a model in Unity without baking. For this, we will be using Unity's shader graph to make a custom shader that uses Vertex color data of the imported model. Here we have a blank project. We will create a simple wall with our shader. Follow what I do. For vertex painting, we need a lot of vertices in our mesh. So we are gonna add subdivision surface. Triangulate the faces for better results. Now we are gonna do shading. For this video, I will use 3 textures for the mesh. Import your first texture. You can see that the UVs are not good, so we will UV unwrap them. Now they look good. Import your second texture. We will use red, green, and blue colors for this. We will use red for mixing grass. Let's add another texture. To do it, we will mix color again. I have concrete as third texture. We will use green color for concrete. Now let's paint green color in Vertex painting. There will be concrete texture instead of green. These textures are working in Blender, but They will not work in Unity. We will have to write a custom shader in Unity. Export this mesh in Unity. All we need is vertex color data. Now in Unity, import the mesh. Make sure to extract material. Now install the shader graph package. Create a outlet shader. Name it whatever you want. Select the material of wall and assign the shader. Import all the textures you used in Unity. Now watch very carefully. Let's test if first texture works. Select the material of wall. Drag and drop our first texture, which is brick. It is working, so let's add other textures too. Lerp is like mix color of Blender, which mixes two textures. This vertex color node is imported with the mesh. Split is like separate color of Blender, which separates the colors into red, green and blue. We will do the same setup for second texture. Drag and drop second texture into material. Repeat the same setup for third texture. We will use green for third texture as we did in Blender. Now finally drag and drop our third texture into material. Thanks for watching.